Mirrordick A40, large area mirror processing. Electrode automatic soldering. Find the electrode soldering procedure. Input electrode, reference XY size. Execute the program after the input is complete. Coordinate memory after the electrode is automatically centering. Read the number of coordinates. Move to workpiece machining coordinates and z-axis safe height. Enter the automatically generated database. Input depth, area spark bit, roughness. Select VDI 0 or RA 0.1. After entering the processing coordinates and safety height, after the INC file is generated, it can be processed by electrical discharge. Processing completed. Let's see the mirror effect.